Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about the free version of the Emma Finance app. Now, I know there are a lot of different finance apps out there, so you might be wondering why I'm choosing to focus on this one. Well, the reason is simple. Emma is one of the most comprehensive and user-friendly free finance apps available. So, without further ado, let's dive into what features the free version of Emma includes. 1. Track your spending and income. This is one of the most basic features of any finance app, but it's also one of the most important. With Emma, you can track your spending and income from all of your bank accounts, credit cards, and other financial sources. This will give you a clear picture of where your money is going and where you can make cuts. 2. Set budgets. Once you know how much money you're spending, you can set budgets for different categories, such as groceries, housing, transportation, and entertainment. This will help you stay on track with your financial goals and avoid overspending. 3. Analyze your spending. Emma provides you with a variety of tools to analyze your spending. You can see how much you've spent in different categories over time, and you can also track your progress towards your budget goals. This information can be helpful for identifying areas where you can save money. 4. Find and cancel unused subscriptions. Many of us have a number of subscriptions that we don't use anymore. Emma can help you find and cancel these subscriptions, which can save you money each month. 5. Get personalized advice. Emma provides you with personalized advice based on your spending habits and financial goals. For example, if you're trying to save money for a down payment on a house, Emma will provide you with tips and suggestions on how to reach your goal. 6. Receive notifications. Emma can send you notifications about your finances, such as when you've overspent your budget or when a bill is due. This can help you stay on top of your finances and avoid making mistakes. 7. Secure and reliable. Emma uses bank-level security to protect your data. This means that you can be confident that your information is safe. 8. Easy to use. Emma is a very user-friendly app. It's easy to set up and use, even if you're not a tech-savvy person. In addition to the features listed above, the free version of Emma also includes the ability to track your net worth, the ability to set savings goals, the ability to create custom categories, the ability to add notes to your transactions. Overall, the free version of Emma is a comprehensive and powerful tool that can help you manage your finances and reach your financial goals. So, if you're looking for a free finance app that can help you save money and stay on track, I highly recommend Emma. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.